I just got the cutest thing in the world, and you guys have to see what it is. Hint, hint. It has batteries. Let's open it. Let's open it up. Lisa, blur this. Oh, yes. We'll do this. Anyways, 3, 2, 1. Oh my God. I really wanted this for so long, for like a month. And this isn't even the best part. Look at it. What I'm about to show you will be the most cutest thing ever. Watch this.